is like being next to the ocean.
Yeah, well, look at the big waves.
I know. Did you bring your surfboard? Hi. I'm Shalane. This is Dean, and we are GrassRoots Living.
About to see the world in action, what we can be.
Okay, so right now we're at Ocean Pond Campground. It's near Lake City, Florida. It is spectacular.
Yeah, and you guys, it's like super cheap. I mean, I think, how much is it?
10 if you want water only, 20 for the electric and water.
Yeah,
again, with the America the Beautiful.
Right.
Otherwise, it's 30, 20, and 12.
Yeah, there's no full hookup site.
But it does have a dump station, so and we'll show that.
Yeah, so let's go see the campground. So this is our site. These sites, you guys, are so big. Look at it, it's just huge. We're right here on the water. And we've got our fire pit over there and a picnic table. And look, we go clear onto the other side of the camper over there. Super sad thing is there's quite a few sites. Do you know how many sites there are, baby?
Let's say near 60.
Around 60 sites, he's thinking, but half of them are shut down because, you know, the Rona. So that's a huge bummer. But we're grateful that it's open at all. I guess you got to be grateful for that, right? But you guys, look at how we're right here on the water. So it's really too bad that half this campground is closed because these sites are huge, you guys. Look, we'll show you some. Like, look at this one. I'm not even honestly sure I know where it starts and where it ends, but anyway, the point is the sites that have been closed are so big. But you know, there's nothing that these guys can do about it because it's a federal
law. Yeah.
Federal law. But so when you come here, look at my hair, it looks white today. Anyway, when you come here,
look at my beard. It looks
white today. Yeah, his beard is really actually dark brown, but just it's the camera. It's the camera. No, but when you come here, I don't know if they'll be open or not, you know, or if it'll still just be half of them. A lot of these sites too, you guys, are right on the water, or as close as you can get to being on the water, I guess, because it's kind of mushy and marshy on the way out to the lake, right? So it's not like you can walk into the lake. I guess you could walk into the lake, but you'd be going through a lot of mushy, marshy stuff first. But they're pretty. They're so pretty in the sunsets. Fantabulous.
Haven't seen those kind of sunsets since Quartzsite.
Quartzsite sunsets. Arizona sunsets. We love you guys out there in Arizona, and we're jealous of you. But Florida's proving to be pretty cool.
Yeah, it is.
So far. You know, one of the best things about camping, of course, is the campfires. And right now, it seems like everybody's got a campfire going. And
it smells great.
It smells so good out here. It smells like pine. Like they're burning some kind of evergreen of some sort. Yeah. It smells so good.
To me, it smells like you need to have hot dogs with s'mores tonight. Show you where the dump station is. So as you enter the park, you look right behind me. The dump station's over here on the right. You'd actually take a left to go into the campground, but we wanted to show you where the dump station was. One word of caution though, when we were here, this faucet does not work. And so I have a feeling that there's an awful lot of people that clean their sewer hoses with the potable water. So kind of keep that in mind. You may not want to use that. Now near the dump station here at the campground, you can also access the Florida Trail. Starts right here, continues on.
Yeah, we'll show you the beach next. Back there was so cute back there in the primitive site. There was a little boy and a little girl running around. They're so cute. A little girl had on a sweatshirt and a diaper and her cowgirl boots.
That was it?
That's it. She's having a good time. Let's go over to the beach. Okay, babe. What do you think of this beach?
Well, there's sand. It's about, what, 10 feet by 40 feet? But there is sand.
Yeah.
And water. So I guess we'll call that a beach.
So you're saying that it wouldn't be on the top 10 beaches of
Probably
Florida
not,
list?
But I love the campground anyhow. So.
Yeah, definitely. And it is nice that there is a beach at least. It's just like being next to the ocean.
Yeah, well, look at the big waves.
I know. Did you bring your surfboard?
And, you know what? I think we left it back in Missouri.
Yeah, because we use it so much in Missouri.
That we just forgot about taking it to Florida.
Yeah. And it's nice because there's a real nice pavilion and it's directly across from the restrooms. So it's really a pretty nice little setup.
And the restrooms, by the way, showers are they have really warm, well, I guess you could say hot showers. I mean, in the bathrooms, there is one small washer with one small dryer.
Oh, that's right. There's a washer and dryer here. I can't believe that it is late November. It's the day after Thanksgiving, you guys. And we're wearing jackets, but honestly, we don't even need jackets. This is so nice out here. So there's actually a little boat dock in this campground as well. Dean will get the drone up so you can actually see this lake. We just keep teasing you, don't we, and giving you little peeks of the lake. Oops, I'm blinded for life. It's pretty. So there's another, you can see there's another shower house down here. We're in the electric and water sites now. So there's another bathroom down here and, you know, a little basketball goal here. You guys, look at this tree. There's 2 trees over here and one tree is going through another tree.
There's actually about 300 trees over here.
Yeah, there's 300. Anyway, it's not all that fantabulous. I don't know why I'm so enamored by it, but it's kind of cool. I'll show you. See the little skinny tree? Now watch what happens. Oh, wait for it. Oh. Look at that. How cool is that? They just grew together. I mean, not really together, but I don't know. I just think it's cool. It's the simple things, babe.
Yeah, I don't think they're actually married, but I think they are dating.
Yeah, they're dating for sure. But I don't know, could happen soon. We only dated for a day and a half.
Yeah, that's true.
Before we decided to get married, so. You know, by the time you guys get here, no telling what might be going on with those 2 trees. There might be little baby trees around them.
Ground rules, and this is one of the few places that I've ever seen on federal land
Yeah.
where you can stay such a long time in a Forest Service campground. 30 days. And then you have to leave for 14 and then you can come back for 30 more. So
Yeah, most places you can only stay for a max of 14 days. Anyway, again, these are the water electric sites. And here's some that are on the water. Again, these are closed right now, but maybe when you get here, you'll get lucky and these will be open. But there's still a lot of nice sites that are open. You guys are making the entire campground smell fabulous. We can smell it all the way down at our site. Yeah, oh, so good.
I can smell it, but it's because it's on top of it.
Yeah. No, it's fabulous.
Well, that's good.
Another fun fact, there are so many little squirrels and chipmunks around here, and they're so cute, and they keep chirping.
I think birds chirp.
No, squirrels and chipmunks chirp too.
Oh, do they?
Yeah.
They chattered.
Okay, they chatter. I don't know what they do.